welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's not part of this video, it's okay, soon. Today's video is going to be me giving you all details on my giveaway. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am, we finally did it. Hey, we finally did it. Hey, we finally did it. We finally did it. So, yes, your girl. I forgot to mention in this video that I have a video on this hair. So y'all make sure that y'all check out that video as well, please. Thank you. Your girl finally reached 100 subscribers, but I'm way past 100 subscribers. But to make it fair, I was supposed to do a giveaway by now. I'm not even gonna insert the clip, and if I do, you guys. So I do want to announce when I get to 100 subscribers, I am gonna be doing a giveaway for that video. But yes, we officially are doing the giveaway, and I'm going to put the video that I'm going to display on my Instagram and all of my social media outlets so you all can be aware of what this giveaway consists of and everything that you're going to be having to do in order to exactly win. So there's going to be 2 winners. And another thing I'm going to do is put all of this information in the description down below so you all can see it from there as well. So yes, we are going to be partnering up with my good friend Sydney. She has a eyelash company, and we are going to be putting some of her lashes into the giveaway as well, so y'all all can be batting those little eyes, okay, period. So that is going to be a part of it. So that's going to be the second winner. So the first winner is going to get a mystery beauty package, and this beauty package is going to average about $50. It can consist of a little bit of anything. It can have jewelry. You can get a bag. You can get a lot of lashes. You can get lip gloss. You can get anything in this mystery beauty package, but I kid you not, it's going to definitely be worth it. Period. So that's something to look forward to. So the rules are simple. You have to just make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and all of that information, like I said, will be in the description down below. You have to follow her page. You have to follow her lash page. You don't have to follow her personal page, but you do have to follow her lash page. I had one of the things up here saying like my recent YouTube video. If you haven't already liked my YouTube video, I don't know what you're doing. So that's another thing. Share with 3 friends. So get your friends on this, honey. Get your friends on this, because anything can happen. You and your friend can both win the prizes. I don't see nothing wrong with that. So the last requirement is to send me a DM when completed to be entered into the giveaway. I have to make sure that you have everything completed before you get entered into the raffle. If you don't have, you don't follow her on Instagram, you did everything else, you still won't be entered. We have to be fair. So the giveaway ends on December 23rd, 2 weeks from now. But the winner will be announced on December 24th, the day before Christmas. So Christmas Eve, we're going to announce the winner. And once we do that, we're going to try to make sure that we ship out, get your shipping details and have that stuff being shipped out. We're going to try to do same day shipping or 2 to 3 day shipping, but it's definitely going to be at your doorstep before 2021. If everybody else cooperates with us, because we're not the delivery service, we're just delivering. We're sending out the package to the delivery company to send it to you. So however long it takes for them, that I got nothing to do with us. So that sounds simple to me. If that sounds a little too hard for you, then I wouldn't enter into the giveaway. But if that sounds easy to you, then I would enter into the giveaway. So yes, you have 2 weeks. 2 weeks starting today. You have 2 weeks starting today. And look who's calling me. So you guys, y'all have 2 weeks to get this giveaway, you know, done. And I have Sydney on the phone. Like I said, I went over all the rules. Are you camera ready?
Oh, bitch, not really. No, I think I am supposed to be a little bit slow.
Y'all, this is Sydney. This is who you have to follow for the lashes. So if you don't get that done, then you're not winning. Period. So yes, that consists of this video. Real short, real cute, real classy. And just let the best winner win. So, hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, suggest some videos that you would like to see in the comments. And make sure you follow all my social media outlets. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.